this is Dilligi audio launch, if I'm not wrong.
Yes. This is where? Dillagi. Ah, this is Dillagi. This is my favorite film.
Uh-huh.
I'm telling you, I'm not just saying it. You guys go see Dil Lagi on any of the OTT platforms. My brother directed this film it was his first directional film. And as an actor, I think he brought the best out of me. It had the best music, the best emotions. Sadly, it didn't do well at box office, but I think this film was made with so much passion and love. And there was no stone left unturned while my brother was making the film. And that's how my brother is. He never leaves any stone unturned. Whenever he gets into something, he goes all out. It's my way or no way, or the highway.
But Sunny, I want to understand from you, direction is something you want to do in the future?
No, not really. I became a director for this film is because this film we were making earlier called London. Gurinder Chadda, that time nobody knew her much, and I wanted to make an Indian and UK film, so I had started off over there, but somehow things didn't work out over there. And then I had this project with me. I said, what the hell am I going to do with it? I want to make it because I started off. Then I went to my dad and I told him, Dad, here's a story. I want to direct it. And my dad said, you think you can do it? I said, yes. He said, go ahead and do it. So, हमेशा ये होता है कि जब बाप कहते कि जाओ तू कर सकता है, somehow the energy comes in it and you can do any damn thing. And that's what I did with this film. I remember when I had to do the first shot, I was wondering how I'm going to take it.
Next photo, please. Kshatriya.
Kshatriya.
Yeah, that's Kshatriya.
And working with your father, how's that like?
Huh?
Working with your father, sharing the frame with him, how's that like?
With Dad, it has always been, I've done a couple of films with him. It has always been I mean, obviously when we're acting, we are being actors, so it is a different thing. But I remember this film very well because in ढेर सारे actors थे. There was Sanjay Dutt, Sunil Dutt ji, then Vinod Khanna ji, and I think और कौन थे? ढेर सारे लोग थे इस film में. And it was a very interesting film because it was a family feud, and it was against our family with the other family. I remember a couple of things, but there's no point talking about them. Just leave it the way it is. It was a great time.
Next photo. This is a lovely one. This is one from the family album, I'm guessing.
Yeah.
And rare time that we see your mother. It's mostly on your Instagram handles, I think, that we see her. Tell us about her also, please.
Well, we are basically, mostly we are all very private, so we don't like to be brought across, share ourselves, Even when we do, we go anywhere, it is just as much as as an actor is required to be shared with the world, That's how we are. And we do Havan on all our birthdays. We are Arya Samajis. And it has been going on from my grandfather and great-grandfather. And I think it was my dad's birthday. And that's when we have a complete Havan.
The only exception, I think, was your son's wedding, because suddenly we are seeing the olds dancing in their living room. There are like videos all over.
I know, I couldn't stop it. I couldn't help it. Initially, I got so angry with a couple of my relatives over there. I took their phone and I shouted at them, how the hell you can do this and all that. But eventually you have to just give in because how many phones are you going to break?
But how many phones are you going to break?
No, but the best...
I mean, it is difficult. It's difficult.
But the best thing, I mean, we are very private in that sense, but we couldn't stop the videos from going out. But when we used to step out, the kind of love we were getting from everywhere, anyone we walked into or met, they were so happy for this wedding. They were like so happy that as if there was a wedding happening in their family. And that was amazing to see, It was really nice. So.
And the best part is we saw you dancing there, and touchwood, you have been
Bhaiya
dancing
didn't stop
everywhere.
dancing. Bhaiya didn't stop dancing.
I think after that film now, मैं निकला गड्डी लेके.
But it was his first son's wedding. I mean, every father's special moment.
Yeah, it was. Yeah. I mean, I was so happy because we did it the way I've done my sister's wedding. So we had all the functions having up at home, and all the relatives from all over the world and country, they came over, and that's the beauty of it, 7-8 days, we're all together. doing all the traditional things. And that's a time when you meet up your old cousins, or certain kids get to meet certain people, part of the long drawn family. नहीं तो मिलते नहीं हैं. So that's a time when I think सब इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं. And that's the beauty, that's the charm of it. That's बाद में तो फिर शोशा अलग बात होती है, but that is the beauty of it.